going on? Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I am good. I am good. I think the last time we met was when you came over there for your birthday and we had cut the
Yes.
cake. That was
Yeah,
a really good time. I think it was around July or August. When was the
August.
exact?
August,
August,
yeah,
August, August. Yeah.
August. I remember
After
it was
that,
so good. We did some good sessions also, I think, and
yeah,
then we cut
correct.
the cake. It was so good.
Absolutely, we had to do that. It was your birthday, so we had to make it special for you.
Thank you
And
so much.
ये जो अभी चल रहा है, I introduced you saying this thing. Some people become stars after a certain age. Some people toil their, entire years and eventually become it. When you were born, the feeling and vibe that your fans get, that I get, is like जैसे ही आप पैदा हुए आप star बन गए. This was like the thing. तो
Okay.
ये जो everything that you get, all the appreciation से लेके every bit of fan comment, every bit of love that comes towards you, how blessed do you feel? Because it's a blessing, of course. So what do you exactly feel when all that love comes?
Definitely, I think I'm really blessed and I'm very lucky that, as you said, that at such a young age, I have so many fans, so many well-wishers, and
Correct.
I feel really lucky and grateful that they're so loyal, they're so sweet, and when I meet them, I
Exactly.
feel so happy. They make me so emotional. Whenever I'm talking about my fans, I just start like feeling emotional. But then I'm just really lucky that I could do some work and they like it so much. They motivate me so much and appreciate whatever I do. So I'm really lucky.
Of course, and motivation to आएगा. When you have earned a legion of fans for
Obviously,
yourself with your own hard work, and only
yes.
you and you deserve the credit for that. Because fans आएंगे आपको प्यार करने के लिए, लोग आएंगे only after they see your work. So the entire credit goes to you. I must say that.
Thank
What I
you.
must also point out is the fact that you're very young. I think you're in your ninth standard right now.
Yeah.
So
You
there's a
me
certain, yeah.
right now? No, I'm in the 12th standard.
12, 12.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
No, it's
So
okay.
the point is that, whatever it is, अब जब पहले भी आप थे, since your school time itself, you become a star. So do you feel that, you have matured, ahead of your age because of the profession that you have been and because you started working so early? So do you
Yeah,
think that?
I have a lot of people have asked me about this question, like, because they feel that because we are in this industry, so it means that we, some people think that we are more mature than our age, but I think I'm not like that. I think my thinking process and the way I am, I'm always like Anushka, like that Anushka, which is a friend also, because I have to also remember that I'm not only actor Anushka, but I'm a friend, I'm a daughter. So I think my friends and my parents, I give them the credit because they are the reason I am myself. So I think I have not matured, but yeah, if you say I'm lucky that I've got a lot of knowledge about a lot of things, like for example this industry, knowing about camera, knowing about direction, knowing about acting. So I'm
Correct.
lucky that I got knowledge without actually studying about it yet. People usually take classes and everything in order to learn
Exactly.
about this industry, and I'm lucky that I have practical knowledge about it, so that way I have some good knowledge because of the experience that I've had. But there's this industry, not only this industry, everything has vast knowledge, so I still have to learn a lot of things. But yeah, this is gonna happen
Of
in the
course, of
future.
course. And the way, and the every, I think in every point, the way you mentioned about your parents, it also tells a lot about the upbringing that you have had.
Yes.
Because otherwise it's very difficult to acknowledge. Some people, sometimes क्या होता है ना कि I'll be very honest with you in this unfiltered conversation कि, when sometimes success gets on the head,
Yes.
some people, they kind of tend to dismiss their roots, but then that's not
Yeah.
the case with you. And I'm pretty sure the fans are the happiest because of that. Which is why they love Anushka the person. They love Anushka the
Yeah.
actress, of course, but they love Anushka the person. So
Definitely. I
kudos to
think
you
it's
for that.
really important, no matter where you go in your life and how popular you are or how famous you are. I think you should never forget your parents, because I think, like you were saying, that my fans love me because of my work, so you're giving me the credit. But I think most of the credit goes to my parents, because if they didn't support me at the right time, if they were not there for me and they didn't tell me, because they are the reason, my path. I feel really blessed that I have such sweet parents. They always help me balance my studies and my acting career. So I'm really happy that I have them by my side, and because of them, they are my guidance. So I'm really blessed, and I really wish that people remember this, that no matter where you go, just don't forget who helped you when you were nothing.
Absolutely.
So you know.
And you mentioned, I was coming to that point anyway. The way you just mentioned that your parents help you to maintain and balance two of your very
Very,
important aspects in life. One
yeah,
is education, the other is your work in acting. But it must be getting very difficult because in the industry that you are right now, there's no fixed time.
yeah.
कभी भी आपको काम पे जाना हो सकता है, but at the same time you might have your exams as well.
Mhm.
So when
Very
things
true.
actually go haywire, how do you balance and how do you keep your calm so that you know कि हाँ यार कुछ भी हो जाए, I'll come out with flying colors.
Yeah, so as I told you that I am in 12th standard, I was giving my boards, and because of this situation right now, my last board exam got postponed, but that's all right. So I was giving my exam. Before my exam, I was shooting for film the entire month. February, January, I was in Jammu, so I was shooting. Before that, also, I was traveling. So then, usually every year I'm traveling and I'm working and I'm studying also. So even during my 10th boards, I remember I just studied 1 month and I gave my exam. So I was really worried. I was really nervous. I was like, oh my God, what am I going to do by studying just 1 month? And all my friends have studied like the whole year. But obviously, I'm not saying that I have not studied the complete year. I have, but it's always, because of
The
work.
mental process and the mental thought
Yeah,
process is
the
quite
touch,
different when it is
it is
about to
like,
begin. Of
yeah, so the touch with studies, sometimes it just goes off. But then I think
course.
I will really, really thank my teachers, my friends, my principal ma'am. They've been really supportive. I've been in the same school, Ryan International, for 12 years. So from senior KG to 12th standard, I've been in the same school. So they've actually legit seen me grown up and become an actor from when I was not an actor. So I think my teachers helped me a lot. They gave me notes. They come to my house and they teach me like last moment tips how I can cope up with my studies. My parents have always been there for me. They've always supported me. That if you think if you actually focus, then you can do this. A lot of people think that if you're an actor, then you can't study because there's no time.
Of course.
But if you see when we are shooting, we don't shoot like every minute of the hour. We have some time, like 10 minutes break or 15 minutes break or 30-minute break. So if you really want, you can actually study. So I feel really bad for those people who have left studies just because of the career. Because if
But
you don't educate yourself, then at some point of life, I think you'll just feel that something's not there with you. So I think that's really
correct.
important.
But you mentioned something, and it's really interesting when you tell this कि ये बीच का जो time होता है 30 minutes and all. A
Yeah.
lot of people, and I think it's pretty natural and human कि वो बीच के वो 15 minute बोलो आपकी 20 minutes बोलो, we take a bit of a break because we have to prepare again. Sometimes things can get really tiring. So
Definitely.
when others have the option of taking a break, relaxing a bit, just letting everything get out of the mind.
Yeah.
At that point of time, you are studying, checking your notes on mobile. So how difficult is that?
It is
Because if
difficult.
it's whenever I imagine you, I think the imagination only gets so difficult. So you're doing that in reality. So how do you do that?
I think it is difficult, obviously, because studying is also so difficult, and acting is also like when I was doing Jhansi Ki Rani. So Jhansi Ki
Correct.
Rani, that role, I'm really lucky that I got to play that role, obviously. But then, if you actually see that playing that character, it comes with a lot of responsibility. Obviously, it's a
Of
very
course.
big thing, but then it comes with a responsibility. So there's a lot of new things I learned, like horse riding, sword fighting, the Shuddh Hindi, Sanskrit, and everything. So that also has a big preparation. Like you need a lot of time to prepare for that. Like when I had lines, there were like 2 pages line I'm saying in Sanskrit also and Hindi also. So riding horses also. So even that preparation was different, and I was studying also while doing Jhansi. So it used to get, sometimes I was like, oh my God, how am I gonna do both? How am I gonna do Sanskrit also and do my commerce accounts also? It gets very difficult. But then I calm myself. Then I take. It is very important to take those breaks, like as in when I was shooting, sometimes I used to just listen to music, calm myself, and then get back to my work or studies. And then I used to talk with my mom. So like they're my best friends, so I talk with them that,
Correct.
mom, I'm worried what's gonna happen. So she used to tell me that it's gonna be all right. And everyone, I think in my set, they're so supportive. So they used to support me with times and everything. So my friends, they used to come to my set and they used to tell me that, these are the notes you should prepare and everything. I used to give my exams. My principal ma'am was very supportive. So I think with the help of everyone, I should say, not only taking the whole credit that I prepared for everything, but I think giving credit to my teachers, my parents, my friends, I think I could manage. So I'm lucky to have such beautiful and amazing people around who have helped me.
Of course, it's like, probably because you are, in the scheme of things, you're in the limelight. So the attention obviously goes to you, but then it's the people around you who contribute
Yes.
to that success that plays an important part. Anushka, we have been discussing a lot of serious stuff about, exams, work and everything. I want to ask you something very interesting. And जो मुझे दिमाग में अभी आया ये आपका बात सुन के कि, when you say something like, I'm studying, and also at the same time I'm like going through dialogues and all, it's a mental process. You have to be prepared, be on your
Yeah.
toes all the time.
Yeah.
So कभी भी ऐसा हुआ है, like a blooper when you're working and suddenly instead of the dialogue that you're supposed to probably say next, you have something related to your studies that is going on in a manner you have completely messed it up. ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
Not like, obviously I wouldn't say that I don't forget. Like what happens is sometimes it just when you're saying Sanskrit, when you're speaking in Sanskrit, it gets a little difficult if you've not studied about it.
Yeah.
But then sometimes when I used to say I used to take more, like Sanskrit quotes have like four. It's like it's divided. Okay, there's this space you have to speak that dialogue in. So what I used to do, if I used to forget, sometimes what happens, the break used to be too much. It used to be one word. So my director was like, "No, Anushka, you can't do that. It's Sanskrit. It's a shlok. You can't divide it like that." So then they used to help me. There were a lot of bloopers happened. Like I slipped. I remember this is out of my studies thing, but I remember this very funny. So there was this scene where I was running. I had to run in my palace. So I was running wearing sari and the Kolhapuri chappal and everything. So I was running and the blog, my director and cameraman, they were like, yeah, action. And I was running so fast and I was wearing the Kolhapuri chappal. I slipped and I fell down. And my cameraman and director both did not realize that I fell. They're like, where is Anushka? Where is Anushka? It was very funny.
So they continued shooting even after that.
I was all right, but then I slipped. So they were like, oh, where is Anushka? It was very funny. It was very funny.
Hilarious. I don't know, another सवाल. I don't know why these kind of questions are coming in my mind only after you said that. ये सब अपने आप on spot अभी आ रहा है कि obviously when you're going to your exams, obviously school में जब आप जा रहे हो exams में prepare करने के लिए, so what kind of preparation does Anushka Sen do? I mean, is she the one who's always like going through her notes and going through her books really well, or is she like the person ki nahi, these are the important ones? Do you study everything and then you go for your exam, or you only study the important parts and then you feel very lucky, the questions are from that zone, so मैं बच गई, ऐसा कभी feeling हुआ है?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Like right now, when it was for boards, I'm saying, if 10th and 12th, I've studied everything. जितना हो सका मेरे से, I've studied like एक चीज, and because boards में you can't expect.
Of course.
Yeah, but school exams, sometimes I was like, okay, I'll just read this part because I didn't have much time, so I'll just read this important part and I'll go. And sometimes it worked out for me. Sometimes it did not. So then the lesson was that you just at least go through once. Like at least once, I think you should go through the entire thing. So yeah.
But it's really cool, when you say and acknowledge something like that, on the camera itself, in front of the camera. I think it takes a lot. I have a small game for you, Anushka, before we wrap up. So ये सवाल जो है, basically it's about your firsts, ठीक है?
Okay.
So I'm not going to be putting you in any spot of bother, don't worry. But then आपको फटाफट जैसे ही आप सवाल सुनते हो, आपको फटाफट जवाब देना है, ठीक है? Because fans won't take for too long.
Damn.
So the first question is, the first thought that you have in your mind when you wake up in the morning.
I have to listen to music. That's the first thought I have.
Cool. We'll take that for an answer. So your first experience on a train, do you remember?
First experience, yeah, I think I do remember.
Okay.
I remember the initial times. Yeah.
Yeah, bachpan.
Yeah,
okay. So, your first profile picture on social media, do you remember what photo it was?
I remember I was doing the show called Balveer. So it was from that. I remember it was from a Balveer. I used to be a superhero also in Balveer. Remember, I was Meher and I was another superhero, Bal Sakhi. So I remember it was a Bal Sakhi picture. My mom's Instagram has still me in that Bal Sakhi costume and her. So I've told her that change this is like years back. But then
वो
she
मम्मी का
loved
प्यार है, वो नहीं जाने वाला, वो रहने वाला है.
रहने वाला है. So she's like, she tells me that she's gonna change, but then she forgets. But it's okay.
She will never do that. Okay. So the first, person that whenever you wake up, the first text that you send. I mean, do you have any fixed person, or like?
Yeah, there is there's this one girl. I know her since 12 years. Her name is Ipshita. So she lives in Kolkata and she used to live in Mumbai, and I miss her so much. So I usually text her almost every day.
How sweet is that? Okay. So, the first time you have, no, sorry, I beg your pardon. Your first ever toy.
First ever toy. I remember my initial teddy bear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I remember my Barbie dolls. I used to be obsessed with Barbie dolls. Guess how many Barbie dolls I have?
In hundreds or thousands, आप बस number बोलिए मैं guess कर रहा हूँ.
I used to have so many soft toys. I used to have so many Barbie dolls. I still have some of my, when I was very chota bacha, and the pictures of mine. There was this teddy bear. That teddy bear I remember. So that is my first toy, I think.
Okay. So the next question is the first cartoon that you ever really got attached to.
Tom and Jerry. Love.
Okay.
I love Tom and Jerry. The
Across
best.
generations, across time periods, there is that one cartoon that is glued to everyone's heart.
Yeah, totally.
Okay. So your first ever restaurant experience, do you remember that?
Oh my god. First restaurant experience. I don't think I remember. No, I don't. Damn, I have to ask my dad and mom my first restaurant experience.
Okay. So the last one before we wrap up, the first ever mobile phone that you ever got to use.
I remember BlackBerry, the keypad one.
Koti wale keypad. Right.
The black one.
Yes, got it. I think it used to be really broad and used to have Koti keypads.
Yeah, correct. So that was my first phone, I think. Yeah, that was the first ever phone I could use.
Okay, interesting. So we come to this interesting short game that we had prepared for you. Now, जाते जाते एक सवाल. Now, obviously, your last board examination that you were saying, then you delay ho gaya. It's getting delayed for eternity. But then, what are you doing actually? I mean, how are you mentally preparing? Exam hai, to study karu ya fir lockdown hai, enjoy karu? What is it going primarily in the mind?
See, honestly, I tell you, I am enjoying lockdown for now. So I prepared for my business studies paper, and then they announced lockdown, and it's just going on. So I was like, okay. And they have CBSE, because I'm a CBSE student, so CBSE has given this guarantee that they're going to inform days before taking their exam. So I'm a little relieved about that. It's not going to be suddenly in 5 days. So that'll be really bad for us. But yeah, hopefully that's not going to happen. So I'm doing a bunch of things which are, it's helping me in this quarantine. So I'm watching movies. Bunch of amazing movies. You will know I've started watching Satyajit Ray's movies. Some Bengali movies.
Yeah, of course. Me being a Bengali myself, I'm very happy hearing that.
That's why I told you. That's why I knew it. So I never watched Bengali movies that much, and then now I've started watching a little Bengali movie so that I know.
So have you got the time to watch Pother Pachali?
What? No.
Pother Pachali.
You do one thing today. Can you message me some good Bengali movies?
Of course. I'll do that. I'll give you a list, and which you can probably enjoy over the week, and you will love them. Okay, I'll do that.
Amazing. So yeah, I'm watching some Bengali movies. I'm watching some really good Oscar-winning movies like Parasite. I've also started watching Korean. So I'm watching bunch of amazing series and movies. Secondly, I'm spending time with my family, which I don't think I've had so much time with my family ever. So yeah, me, mom, dad, we play Zynga sometimes, the brick one, brick game, and then we play Uno. I'm playing the piano sometimes. So
wow.
And I'm going live so that I'm connected with my fans, and I'm baking also.
Baking. So uske photos या कुछ देखने मिलेंगे?
हाँ, sure. I made dalgona coffee. I made mug cake. So after this thing is over, when we do IWM Buzz next time interview
please get something for us, because हम लोग वहाँ पे सब foodie है वहाँ पे, तो we love whatever you'll make, ठीक है? मैं तो अभी से सुन खाने का मन करे, अब can't do that because of lockdown. But I'll just any good thing, it's worth to wait for that. So,
definitely.
Much for talking to us and giving us your time once again, and I wish you all the best. एक ही exam बचा है, but I'm pretty sure you're going to be cracking it, and just stay positive like the way you have always been, and you're really, really nice. Your fans love the work that you do,
Thank
and
you.
you're wonderful the way you're doing. And I'll send you that list. Don't worry.
Yeah.
And just do whatever you're doing. I mean, just enjoy this break. It's a much-deserved break that you have got, because
Yes.
life is sometimes really, really hectic. So
Yeah.
enjoy this, and give my love out to your mom and your dad. And
Definitely.
I think that once this lockdown ends, we shall get to meet Amne Samne.
Yeah, that'll be so much fun. I can't wait.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Really nice talking to you. Take care.
My pleasure. My pleasure all the time. Take care, stay safe, and let's meet soon. Thank you so much.
Yes. Yes.
Bye.
Bye bye.